Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew noodles. First, begin by selecting a high-quality broth, which is the heart of any great stew. Next, choose your main protein, perhaps some succulent beef or tender chicken, and a variety of hearty vegetables. Don't forget to pick out your favorite noodles. They should be robust enough to stand up to the rich stew. Finally, gather your aromatics like garlic and ginger to build a truly delicious base. Now, let's craft that incredible stew base. Start by browning your protein and vegetables in a large pot. This creates a wonderful depth of flavor. Then, add your aromatics, like minced garlic and fresh ginger, and sauté them until they release their fragrant oils. Deglaze the pot with a splash of broth or a bit of wine to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Finally, let your stew base simmer gently, allowing all the flavors to truly meld together and the ingredients to become wonderfully tender. Achieving noodle perfection is key for stew noodles. Cook your chosen noodles separately in a different pot, following the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Make sure to drain them thoroughly to avoid watering down your delicious stew. Instead of adding all the noodles to the main pot, place a portion of the cooked noodles directly into each serving bowl. Then, generously ladle the hot, aromatic stew over the noodles, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Customizing your stew noodles allows for endless delicious possibilities. Feel free to experiment with different proteins, perhaps some tender pork or even plant-based tofu, to change up the texture and flavor. You can easily adjust the spice level by adding a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Remember, you can always check the description below for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, don't forget to garnish your masterpiece with fresh herbs like cilantro or sliced green onions for a burst of freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.